इसी वजह है लास्ट और ये पिछला साल से नजर हमारी बहुत खतरनाक।
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
हाँ
Good afternoon,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all of you. Good morning.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Night, ma'am. Good, ma'am.
How are you
morning.
feeling, all of you? Yes. Aprajita, please, after some time, I may give you the 10 minutes break. In between that, you can have some snacks. Okay? Now look at here.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
ऑफिस आज बंद है। हाँ, पटना में 3 दिन कर दिया है ना।
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
सारे बच्चे आ गए?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
आपने कल क्लास किया था बच्चों? कल क्लास हुई थी आपकी?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
और
Yes, chapter?
हिस्ट्री का चैप्टर 9 पढ़ी थी। चैप्टर 9।
ओके, चैप्टर 9 पढ़े थे। मगर ये तो सिविक्स की चैप्टर हमारी बच्ची हुई थी, isn't it?
Yes,
We were in the mid of this chapter and we were doing the topic universal adult franchise, and I have given you example related to the voting and the politicians.
Ma'am, Sikho the rag
Okay.
picker.
Oh, very nice. I think so. You are very much interested in listening the stories, isn't it?
Yes,
And
ma'am,
you
it
know
is
such
very
stories.
interesting.
Yeah, it's a very interesting story, and I'll tell you. And I will also tell you very related stories also related to Sikho. It's a real story, you know. You can see many Sikho and Paro around your house, around your village, roadside, near your school by, isn't it? Such Sikho Paros are numerous in our society, and why we are listening their story to help them. We are going to help them at any cost, whatever we are having, solution with us, with our old clothes, with food which is not rotten, our old books, our old uniforms, that we can provide to them so that they can go to school, and also make them understand that there is free education for those children who are below 14 years, isn't it? So it is very much necessary to educate those small kids just doing such a inhuman work in the society, and very humiliating work they are doing, isn't it? So now, same as Sikho, we're going to have the story of Paro. All of you are listening me? If you are listening me, give me the symbol of thumbs up. Then only I will understand that you are listening me. Give me the symbol of thumb. There is a symbol sign is there, na? Yeah. Many options are there. From there you can show me the thumb. Yeah. Very good. Well done. Well done. Uma, you are not giving me the sign. You must learn how to give the, yes, Ria has given, Aradhya also. Very nice. Very good. Now, I want to mute you all. Some disturbing voice is coming. Yeah. Listen. Paro, she is a girl, isn't it? She is the flower seller.
Ma'am, in my village also. Ma'am, my
Yes, बेटे.
Ma'am, my niece name also is Paro.
Oh, your miss means what? Your miss name means I.
Ma'am Bhatiji. Ma'am Bhatiji niece.
Oh, your niece. You are having niece also. You are such a small boy and you are having niece.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
You have a
also
very.
have a niece.
Oh, so nice of you. You are from very big family, so you are having niece, isn't it? Very good. So, Paro the flower seller. Now, let us know about the Paro who sells flower at traffic signals from morning till night. Have you seen sometimes when you go to the traffic signals, there are small kids they are selling the flowers and some other articles? Have you seen
Yes,
them?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
same
ma'am.
as the Paro is selling flower in near the traffic signal from morning till night. Till night, she's selling a flower. Now, the flower shop owner gives her 1 rupee for each small bouquet. When she sells 1 bouquet, she get only 1 rupee. उसके जो शॉप के सेलर के जो मालिक होते हैं वो उसके एक फ्लावर बुके को बेचने पर उसे 1 रुपया देते हैं और वो फूल का हाँ 1 रुपया और वो एक बुके को बेचने के लिए सुबह से रात तक वो बुके को बेचती है फ्लावर को ट्रैफिक सिग्नल्स के पास isn't it? So 1 rupee for each small bouquet and that she sells at ₹10 और उसको रोज का कितना मिलता है 10 रुपया मिलता है कितना मिलता है 10 rupees
Ma'am, 10 rupees.
yeah
Ma'am, 10
if you 10 rupees which you eat
10
chips
rupees.
yeah uncle chips you eat no of 10 rupees within a seconds you eat and enjoy so that 10 rupees Paro gets and in this way, she sells the flower bouquet near the traffic signals. Now tell me, have you seen such kids near the traffic signal or nearby your house by selling
Yes.
small things?
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me your
like
experience.
balloons.
Yes, ma'am.
Balloons,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good.
Yes,
Balloons.
ma'am, I have seen some
Oh, ma'am,
small
at
children
the
selling
traffic
balloons
signal.
Ma'am, rag
near
picker.
Ma'am,
traffic
there is
signals.
a red, red signal, ma'am, some small bulb and clean our ma'am windows and saying, ma'am, buy this.
Okay. And yeah. और बताइए
I have
experience.
saw some small children selling balloons near the traffic signal and rag pickers in my area.
Very, my God. So you
Ma'am,
felt nice of.
I have saw some children selling vegetable.
Okay. How old they were?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
they are of 6 and 7 years.
My
Ma'am,
God,
7,
so
6.
small children.
ma'am, some of them are at age of 12 and some are very small, like 6 and 7 years.
Mm. So such things also you have seen. Now you'll see Paro, she endangers her life as she runs between the vehicles and persuades the people to buy flowers, isn't it? But what happens? Paro's parents were forced to leave their village after the well belonging to the so-called lower caste dried, and they were not allowed to take water from the well that belonged to the so-called upper caste. Why Paro was forced to do such small work for such a small money? Because their parents were forcefully were thrown out from the village when the well was dried. सूखा पड़ने के कारण जब उनके कुएं जो पानी के जो थे वो सूख गए तो उनको गांव छोड़ना पड़ा क्योंकि गांव में वो हर किसी के कुएं से पानी नहीं ले सकते थे गांव में कुएं में भी लोगों का वो डिवाइड किया गया है कि भाई ये अपर कास्ट का कुआं है ये लोअर कास्ट का कुआं है इस तरह की बातें गांव में है हो गई उनके गांव की बात बता रही हूँ मैं सीखो और पारो के गांव की बात बता रही हूँ तो इसलिए उनको शहर आना पड़ा और शहर आकर के उनको वो हर छोटी बड़ी काम करनी पड़ी वो जिसे वो नहीं चाहते थे. ठीक है. Now you will see, aren't Sparrow parents also the citizen of India? What do you say about it?
Yes,
They are
ma'am.
not.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
They are
ma'am.
the, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
As I already said, according to our constitution, all rich or poor, they are the citizen of India, and they are also have the same rights to avail from the constitution, isn't it? Where the constitution has prohibited the discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, gender, or place of birth. But sadly, discrimination on the basis of caste still continues to exist in our society, and in spite of education and awareness, especially in the rural areas, still it is continuing. It is very bad to say, my student, that in spite of so much uh, pain has been taken by many organizations, and the constitution has also provided us so many rights, but still this casteism and rich and poor, such activities are going in our, still continuing in our society. Now let's see what we have to do. This is in our hand to make the solutions, isn't it? Now another threat to equality is posed by the discrimination on the basis of community. Some religious places ban the entry of people belonging to the other communities and caste. Certain communities look down upon other and do not give them jobs or house on rent. You know, can't say that all are doing. Do you think that you all are also doing the same thing? Are, do you know what is your caste, what is the religion? You know this? Okay, you must be knowing that.
Yes,
You
ma'am, I
must be
know.
knowing. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. How many you know this?
Ma'am,
Give
I
me
know.
only symbol of thumbs up. Give me only the symbol of thumbs up. Okay. Okay. Listen, children. I think so. Not all are doing, but some community people, what they do, they only discriminate the people, isn't it? Sometimes they don't allow the people to come to their religious people, religious places, and even they don't want to go to others' religious places. For example, some Hindus, if they wish to go to churches, sometimes they are not allowed, isn't it? And if people wish to go to masjid, isn't it? There also, if they are not allowed, gurdwara, temples and all. So such places are restricted by even the community people. कोई नहीं कहता कि नहीं आप मत जाओ. कुछ लोग ही ऐसा करते हैं कि हमें वहां जाने नहीं देते हैं, या आपस में भी लोगों को नहीं जाने देते हैं. और कई लोग तो ऐसा भी करते हैं कि वे कम्युनिटीज को देख करके, कास्ट को देख करके, गरीबी अमीरी, पुअर रिच, ऑल इन सब चीजों को देख करके ही जॉब भी ऑफर करते हैं लोगों को. So these things are done by some community people. You cannot say that all are doing such things. And I think so. You are the future of the
मैम कुछ
nation.
लोग नौकरी भी घूस खा के लेते हैं.
हाँ बेटे, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. तो हम तो you should not see the negative things, you know. You must see always the positive things. And once you are educated and you are availing the good post, you will do a very nice work there, and you will not do such discrimination in the particular place. Now, the government of India has also implemented the provision of the constitution given under the right to equality in two ways. गवर्नमेंट ने तो हमें बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोविजन प्रदान किया, जैसे मैंने आपको कुछ समय बताया था, राइट टू इक्वालिटी. व्हाट आर द टू प्रोविजन ऑफ राइट टू इक्वालिटी? प्लीज.
Ma'am, all
Ma'am, the
peoples
two
are equal.
Ma'am, all
All peoples are equal.
Wait, let's learn some discipline in this. Stop, my dear student. I tell you. Over to Siddhant. Over to Siddhant. Yes, please tell me the right to equality, the provision of right to equality. Yeah.
Ma'am, all citizens are equal.
Yeah.
And ma'am, second are ma'am, the discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, and poor or rich is ma'am, or the ma'am places birth as is prohibited. And ma'am, the laws given equal to ma'am both upper caste and lower caste, ma'am religion and etc. And ma'am, everyone is entitled to ma'am given the equal opportunities in all the places and in all the ways.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Anyone else want to say?
Ma'am, I want to say.
Anushka. Over to Anushka. Amisha. Over to Amisha.
Okay, ma'am. All citizens are equal, and discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, gender, or place of birth provided. Everyone is entitled to equal opportunities in life, works, or life. The law gives equal protection to the both.
Okay.
To all, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I
Okay,
say
very good.
Aradhya?
Okay. Over to Aradhya.
Treatment of everyone before the law treats everybody as equal in a matter of public employment.
Yeah.
Prevent discrimination on various grounds. All citizens, the laws given equal protection to all. Discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, gender, or place of the birth is prohibited.
Okay. Okay, very good. Now, yes, means there is equality in all sphere of life.
Ma'am, can I say, Shivam? Ma'am,
Listen.
can I say?
Okay, we will talk on this. But
Can I
yes,
say?
you all are very well said. Let's move to a topic. Page number 153. I am over to Siddhi. Please read out page number 153.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read out.
Yes, ma'am. The government of India has implemented the provision of giving the right to equality in two ways. Number one, many laws have been made to protect the right to equality. For example, equal opportunities in education and job. Number two, government has launched many programs and schemes for those communities that need assistance. For example,
yes, Siddhi, wait. You know, some boys were coming, and I think so his name has been captured. And I don't want to say even our technician members are there in this online classes. They are just noting out the number and their name, and they will be blocked. Soon they will be blocked.
मैम शिवम दुबे के कर रहा था वॉइसेस।
हाँ वेट, वो वैसे भी पता चल जाएगा। ठीक है, तो फिर हम बात कर रहे थे द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज इम्प्लीमेंटेड द प्रोविजन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन गिवन अंडर द राइट टू इक्वालिटी इन टू वेज, isn't it? What are they? Many laws have been made to protect the right to equality. Right to equality को भी प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए बहुत सारे लॉ बनाए गए हैं। अगर हमें समानता का अधिकार मिलना है तो उसके लिए भी कई अधिकार बनाए गए। वो क्या है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी इन एजुकेशन एंड जॉब. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ यू गेट How you will get the equality? Tell me. Only the word equality will be given to you and you will get the equality. Tell me.
Ma'am,
can I
tell?
Yeah. First, tell me your name. If the word equality
Ma'am,
is
Siddharth Dhawan.
if the yeah, tell me. Siddharth, over to Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
My question is that if the constitution is providing us the equality, right to equality, it makes all the sense. Means that is enough.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what my question means. To protect the right to equality, our government has given many such provisions. What are they? Those many laws are made to protect the right to
Ma'am,
equality.
can I tell?
Dhawan, over to Dhawan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that for following the traffic rules
Hmm?
and the red light and the signals of the red, yellow, and green.
Hmm?
For wearing the seat belt while driving the car. Don't talk don't talk on the phone while driving the car. Wear
Okay.
helmet when driving the bike.
Hmm. Okay, Dhawan. Now I will
And
tell
so
you.
on.
You are such a. How old are you, beta? How old are you?
Ma'am, 12. Ma'am,
12
12.
years. So, okay. But I am telling you, you are giving the answer which you are doing, performing. But I am talking to about, we should consider Sikho and Paro also. They are,
Yes,
those
ma'am.
who are, what about those children? They are not having the car.
Yes, ma'am.
What about those children? What about those children who are not having any
Ma'am, can I
vehicle?
answer?
They have right to study in the
Ma'am, they
school.
should not
How
run on the
could,
traffic.
means
Ma'am,
only
can
they
I
should not
answer?
run on the roadside and they are not availing any vehicle. They don't have even a dream about vehicles. Then what about them? So it's not a matter of vehicle and it's not the matter of a traffic rule, my student. I'm talking about education and job, equality in the education and job. And it is very well said that children from start from 6 to 14 years are getting free education from the government with the midday meal, which is very much important. And we should educate them to take education, free education, and with midday meal. And in job also, they will get the opportunity in all forms of job if they are educated, isn't it? That is most important. Next is government has launched many programs and schemes for those communities that need
Huh?
assistance. For example, SC, ST, OBCs. Yeah, Aradhya, over to Aradhya. What do you want to ask?
नहीं मैंने
Aradhya,
ये
हाँ.
नो बोला था.
Anyone want to ask anything? Or should I say this topic?
Ma'am, they should be give free education and free
Yeah.
food.
Yes. Even you can provide them
जैसे
books.
बच्चे अगर रोड साइड अगर
Don't sell your books
लाइक
in garbages. Don't throw your books in garbages. Old books are also needed by some of the poor children nearby you who are junior to you, like your maid servant and other poor people. If you give your old books, no, and your old uniform, dresses, your clothes, they will be feeling very happy.
I have given my old dresses to the poor boys and girls.
Really, you have given? This is a small work, you can do it. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have given my some clothes to the old child.
Okay.
मैम अगर
Ma'am,
पहाड़ों
I
जैसे
have
बच्चे
given
रोड
my
ट्रैफिक
old
पे
book
अगर
to some poor
ट्रैफिक
peoples.
Okay. 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 Let's see. This government
Ma'am, in
has
my
launched
village,
many programs.
ma'am, the clothes which ma'am, ma'am, small, ma'am, I give them to the ma'am poor people, ma'am.
मैम
Teach
अगर
them
Very
in the
पहाड़ों
good.
जैसे
roadside.
बच्चे ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पे अगर दौड़ते हैं तो वो अपने लाइफ को खतरे में डालते हैं।
Yes, बेटे. और आपको उनको देखना है तो educate करना है. Let's see. Government has launched many programs and schemes for those community like SC, ST and OBCs. हमारे सरकार ने उन पिछड़ी जातियों के लिए नीची जातियों के लिए भी कई ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स लॉन्च किए हैं ताकि वो आगे आ सके. शिक्षा अगर वो पहले लेते हैं, if they take the education first, then they will come to know about that what are the policies are made by the government. Unless until they will not get the education, they are not known by the things that what is government is doing for them, isn't it? तो ये होता है ना बच्चों, क्या अगर जब तक एजुकेशन नहीं आप उनको मिलेगा तब तक वो कैसे समझ पाएंगे कि उनके लिए क्या सब चल रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन गूगल द थिंग्स. आप गूगल कर लेते हो, आप ट्रैफिक रूल्स समझ पाते हो, बहुत सारी चीजों को पढ़ के भी आप समझ पाते हो. तो वे पढ़ भी नहीं सकते हैं, कई चीजों को नहीं कर सकते हैं आप लोग के जैसे. तो उनको सबसे पहले एजुकेशन. तो ऐसे SC STs के भी बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम चले हुए हैं सरकार के द्वारा. द प्रोग्राम्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट विल बी मीनिंगफुल ओनली इफ दे हैव द सपोर्ट ऑफ द पीपल. बट only the policies are made and the programs are made will not do anything जब तक कि लोग उनका साथ नहीं देंगे. If people will not support, the programs will be meaningless. For example, numerous schemes and encourage the people and also send the children to elementary education. For example, numerous schemes encourage the people to send their children to elementary schools. What are that? Free and compulsory education have been guaranteed for the what happened beta in by our constitution. हमारे भारत में जब आजाद भी नहीं हुए थे तब से ये पॉलिसीज बने हुए थे और फिर भी उन्हें बाद में लागू किया गया. और आज हमारी आजादी के इतने साल बाद भी अगर हम ये बात कर रहे हैं तो बहुत दुख हो रहा है ना. Still we are saying that to send the children, poor children, to the government school or for the education with having the midday meal, and it's very painful it's very painful to say such thing that still after independence of 70 to over than 70 years, still we are talking the same thing to send the poor children in the government schools with the midday meal, having the midday meal. So still we have to work on it so that they will be benefited. Supporting scheme of midday meal and started on the request of the teachers. This is also started by the request of the teacher, and it motivated many parents to send their children to school as cooked and nutritious midday meal was provided. As a result, the environment in the school has increased. डे बाय डे हम देख रहे हैं कि सरकारी स्कूलों में इन द गवर्नमेंट स्कूल बच्चों की जो संख्या है, एनरोलमेंट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन इज इंक्रीजिंग, स्टूडेंट्स नंबर इज इंक्रीजिंग ड्यू टू मिड डे मील. वे सोच रहे हैं कि ये तो अच्छी बात है ना कि हम ऐसे स्कूल में जाएंगे जहां हमें खाना भी मिल जा रहा है. वी आर गेटिंग फूड and we are getting education, we are getting books, so why should not we go to school, isn't it? Such things are there and they are going to school to take the education. School enrollment is increasing in the school. After independence, there was an urgent need for the government to do something special and concrete to liberate the weaker section from the oppression and backwardness. But the forced isolation of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes imposed the caste system had to end. Thus, reservation was also provided for them to ensure the proportionate share in all walks of life. What it's very, again, I want to say that after so many programs, still why this so-called SC, ST and OBC, they need special provisions. Even they are provided by the reservations. है ना? And I'll tell you one more small story about the reservation. You know, if reservations are there, listen all of you, if reservation are there, means if one SC, ST is getting job, one small job he is getting of railway, of passing just standard 8. Through reservation, if he is getting a government job of by passing only class 8, but still he is not pass class 8. और वो 8 क्लास भी पास नहीं है. अब बताइए आप वहां कहाँ हेल्प कर पाओगे? So still there are backwardness in education, and education is much more needed for the people. Now, ensure the proportionate share in all walks of life so that they can come with respect and dignity in the society. Later on, along with the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, what we have seen. You know what do you mean by scheduled tribes? Adivasi Janjatiya. Scheduled tribes means what?
आदिवासी जनजातियां.
हाँ, scheduled caste नीची जाति, scheduled tribes means आदिवासी जाति जनजातियां ये होती है. हाँ, जो हमारे हर स्टेट के हर स्टेट में हमारी आदिवासी जनजातियां पाई जाती है. आप क्लास 8 में जाकर के पढ़ेंगे, हर स्टेट का अपनी आदिवासी जनजातियां, जैसे हमारे झारखंड में है, छत्तीसगढ़ में है, उड़ीसा में है, आंध्र में है ना? तो हर जगह में, गुजरात में है, महाराष्ट्र में है, मध्य प्रदेश, हर जगह की अपनी अपनी आदिवासी जनजातियां होती है. उनके अलावा है हमारा other backward classes were also provided the benefits of the reservation. Even the other backward classes.
बिहार का पूर्व चंपारण का मुंडास.
Yeah, very nice. Many of them are the Bihar में भी है हमारा. Yes, पूर्वी चंपारण district is one of the very backward place of Bihar to be considered, isn't it? But वहाँ का एक बहुत फूड काफी फेमस चल रहा है आजकल. Food item is very famous of that particular area now, all over Bihar. Can you tell me what is that? Swasti?
No, ma'am.
मैम लिट्टी चोखा.
No.
Ma'am, what?
One food item of Purvi Champaran is very famous all over Bihar nowadays.
मैम चावल.
No. चावल तो है ही. चलो चावल है. पूर्वी चंपारण.
चंपारण मीट.
हाँ, बच्चा मेरा ठीक से बोला, धीरे धीरे बोला. चलिए अभी पूजा पाठ के समय उस चीज को दोबारा मत बोलना. आई गॉट इट. चलिए ठीक है, आपने बोला बच्चे. The reservation was to access some food item is there, the non-veg item, isn't it? It's very famous all over Bihar now. The reservation was to access for a limited period, but as it is provision has still not reached a major portion of the population and still it is continuing. देखिए, जब reservations बने थे तो किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कि वो इतने वर्षों तक कंटिन्यू कर जाएगा. हमने the government also have a thought that after certain period people will avail all the opportunities and they will reach to the end.
मम्मी अब खाना निकाल दो.
Isn't it?
Ma'am.
Yes, bete.
Ma'am, I am Siddharth Dhawan. Ma'am, I am
Yeah.
asking that when we will do the voting.
Okay. still you want to you are remembering the voting, no? Okay, today I in group, no, I'll ask some question, and that question is for the those people, children or student will get for the nomination.
Okay, ma'am.
Science group or class group?
No, my groups. Social
Okay, ma'am.
science.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the word? Ma'am, can you please repeat the word?
Work. I'll ask one question.
Ma'am,
That-
I'm not in your group.
You are not in my group.
Ma'am, me also.